All right, Keith, we talk about Joystick all the time. I make the joke, hey, Joystick's put all the captains out of business. That's why I had to start selling boats. What are your thoughts on Joystick? Is it something that you might think you're too good for, or do you think that it really is helpful out on the water?
No, it's helpful by far. I mean, it's a tool in your toolbox. You should use it. It gives you such precise control now. I mean, especially now. I mean, there was versions, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, they've got these things tweaked in so good right now. They actually probably run better, using the joysticks and the variable RPMs and moving stuff around. I can't wait. I haven't run a 600 yet. I know we've got some boats coming with
those were designed around a joystick.
And, that's going to be super smooth from what I hear. You still, even with outboards, if you've got the joystick or stern drives, as long as your engines are straight, I mean, you can still go back and do it, the stick way and stuff like that. But it's not cheating. It's what it's there for. And the way we bring them in, it's got your autopilot built into it, your sky hook, your heading hold, follow route. I mean, all those features that you don't have to pay for by adding on to a different system.
I say if you have the tools, use them. You have the tool in your toolbox, use it. And your joystick can get you out of a lot of jams too. And I think it's a great tool. Yamaha's got a great joystick. Mercury has a phenomenal JPO system, which goes beyond a joystick, like you said. And it's definitely kind of taken all the fear out of docking, which is where most of the fear comes through. Boating in general is, bringing the boat not only off the dock, but back into the dock.
It's definitely simplified everything. So if you got it, use it.
Well, guys, hopefully you found this helpful. Any other questions, drop them in our inbox and we'll get them to you on a next episode of MarineMax Boating Tips.
See you guys out on the water.